So as part of Matsuura's Step Up campaign, today we're going to be taking one of the machines and trying to establish and understand why you would step up to this technology. Dominic, we're going to be looking now at this Muratec machine. Now this is some turning centre. Why would someone look to step up to this type of technology?
Well, obviously there's many customers out there that we know are doing this. If you've got a single spindle or a twin spindle single turret machine where you've got no automatic load, you're very man dependent. You know, the Muratec with the overhead gantry, the bar feed, and obviously the parts that can be deployed from the machine with a robot means that you can obviously do unmanned running. You know, everything that we do here at Matsuura is all about unmanned running and technology, and the Step Up campaign from a single spindle, single turret machine to a twin spindle, twin turret, unmanned turning centre.
So being pragmatic about this, you know, as a business owner, what are the advantages to me of all of the things you talk about?
Well, obviously they'll gain social distancing measures, which obviously we're all living with today and we're going to be living with for a long time. But also the fact that one man can run the machine and the machine will then run itself throughout the night and sometimes over the weekend. And you don't need lots of operators working in a very confined space.
And then looking in detail at this machine, we're talking about a twin turret, twin spindle, you know, a gantry loader as well as a bar feed if you want it, double Y-axis. Are we suggesting that there's an opportunity here to maybe replace, you know, 3 or 4 machines in my machine shop and get the same output?
Absolutely. When you look at the capability and the output this machine can give you, you could very easily, you know, lose 2 or 3 basic, simple turning centres into a very complex turning centre and producing more with less operator dependency.
I don't want to pigeonhole this machine finally into one industry, but would I, because I know it will do you know, many broad applications, but am I right in saying that there's more of these machines operating in the automotive sector than any other in the world?
There is, and that's where obviously Muratec made their name, but we've been selling them throughout all sectors, all industries, in the UK and obviously our counterparts throughout Europe.